Welcome back to partial differential equation. So in the previous class we have to prove the one dimensional wave equation. So today we have to proving solution of one dimensional wave equation dou square u by dou t square is equal to c square dou square u by dou x square by the method of separation of variables. So it is the standard equation of one dimensional wave equation dou square u by dou t square equal to c square dou square u by dou x square, or it is also denoted as utt is equal to c square uxx formula. So here we will substituting u is equal to capital X into t, where x denotes x of x and capital T equal to capital T of small t. So these are the solution of partial differential equations. So using u equal to xt in one dimensional wave equation. So dou square by dou t square, here we substituting u is equal to xt is equal to c square. So dou square by dou x square, again u is equal to capital X into t. So in left hand side with respect to t means we will expressing capital X into t as capital X into d square t by dt square, means we will transforming partial differential equation into converting partial differential equation into ordinary differential equation. So with respect to t means this become d square t by dt square is equal to, so right hand side is with respect to x, means we will again expressing capital X into t as c square t d square x divided by dx square. So here also we will converted pd into ODE, ordinary differential equation. So now we will dividing on both side by capital X into c square t. So and we taking the common constant as k. So right hand side become, after dividing c square x into t, so c square t and c square t cancelled out. So remaining term is 1 divided by x into d square x by dx square. So which is equal to, we taking common constant as k. So that is the right hand side term here. Similarly left hand side is, after dividing c square xt, x and x cancelled out. So 1 divided by c square t d square t by dt square, which is equal to again common constant as k, taking k. Now we will multiplying on both side by x, so which become d square x by dx square equal to kx, or if you shift kx into left hand side, it become d square x by dx square minus kx is equal to 0. Then we will expressing this equation in symbolic form such as d square minus k into x is equal to 0. So here take x as common, and here d square represent d square by dx square. So similarly second term, multiply on both sides by c square t, it become d square t by dt square minus c square kt is equal to 0. So again t as common and expressing d square by dt square as capital D square minus c square into k is equal to 0. Say equation number 1. Here capital D square represent d square by dt square here. Now in equation number 1 we substituting k is equal to 0, k equal to plus p square and k equal to minus k square, means we will using the three different cases where we will finding the solution of partial differential equation. So let us start case number 1. We substituting k equal to 0 in equation number 1. So here k equal to 0 means d square x is equal to 0, and second equation is d square into t equal to 0 because k value as 0. So its auxiliary equation is d is replaced by m, so it become m square 0, and we'll shifting x into right hand side, so it becomes 0 divided by x here. So m square equal to 0 means m value as 0 0. So m square means 2 value. Suppose if it is m cube, then we will using 3 times of 0 0 0. Similarly, second one is divide on both side by, or take this t right hand side, it becomes 0 divided by t, cancelled out, and we substituting d equal to m, or d is replaced by m, so we use the auxiliary equation. So m square equal to 0, again m is equal to 0 0. So 0 0 means roots are equal. So according to module number 2, when the roots are equal, then its general solution is c1 plus c2x e to the power 0x, because with respect to x here, and e to the power 0 is 1. Similarly, second one is c3 plus c4 t into e to the power 0t, and again 0t value is 1. So here we will get it capital x sin t value. So finally we will substituting x sin t value in u is equal to xt equation. So after substituting x sin t, equation become u equal to c1 plus c2x and c3 plus c4 t. So which is the required solution of PDE. Similarly, case number 2, we is substituting k value as plus p square, that is k be the positive. Again equation 1 become, so in place of k, put here k value as p square. So d square minus p square x equal to 0, and d square minus c square p square into t equal to 0. So again its auxiliary equation is replace d by m, so m square minus p square, and shift x into right hand side, so it become 0. So m square minus p square equal to 0, or m square is equal to plus p square, or m is equal to plus or minus p. So plus p and minus p be the two different roots here. So second one is again d is replaced by m, it become m square minus c square p square, and t value become 0 after shifting t into right hand side here. So it also use the same root, m equal to plus or minus c into p. So when the roots are different, its general solution becomes c1 e to the power px, because with respect to x here, plus c2 e to the power minus px. Second one is capital T equal to, because with respect to t, c3 e to the power cpt plus c4 e to the power minus cpt. So here we will get it capital x sin t value. So once again substituting x sin t value in u is equal to xt equation. So therefore u equation becomes c1 e to the power px, c2 e to the power minus px into c3 e to the power cpt plus c4 e to the power minus cpt. So which is the required solution of PDE when k is equal to plus p square. Then similarly case 3 is k equal to minus p square. So in place of plus p square, we substituting minus p square in equation number 1. So equation 1 become, when k is minus p square, so minus into minus plus, so d square plus p square x equal to 0, and d square plus c square p square into t equal to 0. So its auxiliary equation is d is replaced by m, and x is shifted into right hand side, its value become 0. So remaining terms are m square plus p square equal to 0, or m square is equal to minus p square, or m is equal to plus or minus pi. Similarly, second one is m square plus c square p square equal to 0, or m is equal to plus or minus cpi. So I denotes roots are complex. So hence its general solution is c1 cos px plus c2 sin px for first root, and for second root capital T equal to c3 cos pct plus c4 sin pct. So we here will obtain x sin t value. So once again, using x sin t value in pu equal to xt equation, then we'll get it the required solution of partial differential equation when k is equal to minus p square. So this is the procedure for finding the solution of PDE in one dimensional wave equation by variable separable method. Thank you.